Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to scan QR codes using your device's web camera. First of all, open the Start menu, then go to a list of all applications, find camera right here, open it, let it access your microphone and of course the camera. You can also let it use your precise location, and now prepare the QR code that you want to scan and make sure that it is visible in your device's camera. To scan this QR code, you have to select the third option right here, which is scan barcode. Now grab your QR code and face it to the device's camera. And open the link that you see on the screen of your laptop. Use any application you need to reach the resource of this this QR code is transferring you to, and this way you will open either open a website or any other resource that you were trying to reach using your QR code. And that's basically how you scan QR codes with your laptop's camera. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.